Welcome to this week's Kline May Corner.
This week I'd like to talk a little bit about the government shutdown that we recently had. Even though that is now over and passed and resolved at least temporarily, we still get a lot of questions about what effect that may have had on the local real estate market. So while that was going on, there were some slowdowns in a few types of financing. Most financing is still handled by Fannie and Freddie, and those entities were not affected. However, there were three different kinds: FHA, USDA, and VA loans, all really funded by the government or backed by the government, which were slowed down or stopped entirely. USDA loans, which are for rural areas and very, very popular here. They offer a 100% loan that a lot of people like. Those were shut down entirely. So anybody who was in that process had to wait a couple weeks where absolutely nothing happened with their loan. FHA loans, very, very popular also, had a slowdown, but not an entire shutdown. They were working on reduced staff for those couple of weeks. So anybody who was in that situation with an FHA loan may have seen a little bit of progress, but it was very slow progress. And then the third kind, VA loans, for Veterans Administration loans, were not affected at all. Those folks are funded on a 3-year budget cycle, so this 1-year hiccup didn't really have any ill effects on VA loans. Again, all of those are resolved. Everything should be moving forward at its normal pace. Buyer and seller activity is right back to normal and right back to where it was in the middle of the good year we were having before this budget crisis hit. So we hope it's over and things are moving forward positively from here on.
Thanks for watching this week's Kline May Corner.